What's up, guys? So we are working on the K-Series transmission right now for my DC5 RSX Type S, and wanted to make a quick video. I will be posting a longer video about this. I did just get the gears in, so I'm doing a full rebuild on my transmission out of my RSX Type S, and that includes I got Syncrotech carbon synchros, because I was having a third gear grind and pop out issue on that. Wasn't too severe. We're also going to be putting an M Factory LSD in it and a bunch of other things, new bearings. Finally just got the gears back because I had my buddy, he's a Honda Master Tech. I had him do the synchros. He had a press. I don't currently have a press. So he got that all done for me. Today I want to replace the two bearings that are in the case of the transmission, and figured I'd make a quick video because one of them, if you don't know what you're doing, it could be a little bit of a pain, so I kind of wanted to record that. I will remove the second one as well, although the new one to replace it is actually on the input shaft. So I won't be putting that in this video, but I'm going to at least show you the easy ways to get these out, and hopefully it'll help somebody. All right, so this is the case on my 6-speed RSX Type S transmission. And as you can see, there's two bearings. We have this roller bearing here and also this bearing. So kind of wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to remove these. This one can be a little tricky if you don't know what you're doing. And like I said, we're going to remove this one. All right, so the easy way to get this bearing out is we're just going to flip it over. And I'm just going to use a flathead. You can use a chisel. And we're just going to get some light in there. We're just going to put it right on the inside. Right on the lip of that bearing from the inside, and just give it a couple good whacks. Let's see, how did we do? It's almost out. You get it? There it is. There it is, it's out. You can see we also have a seal in here that we're going to have to pop out. There's the seal. There's no damage. That's good. Okay, so as you can see, we removed that bearing, and now we have this roller bearing. So first there's two 10s that we got to pop out. Is just take a screwdriver and we're going to pop all these rollers out. Just take them out as we go. So there we go, we got them all out. Once you get them all out, you can get that plastic piece out, and then we just have the bearing race. All right, so now we just got to pop this out. All right. Just gonna stand on the case. There we go. Popped right out. So that's how you remove their bearings. So So there we have it. Both bearings are removed successfully. I got a new bearing here. To pop that in, I'll probably put this in the freezer for a little bit, and then it should slide right in. And then this one I have on the input shaft. So yeah, that's how you remove the bearings on a K-Series transmission with pretty much no tools. Hope this helps, guys. DC5 James, I'll see you on the next video.